how to use back camera in BIGO Live. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed BIGO Live application in your mobile device. If not, install it from Google Play Store. After that, open up the application and log into your BIGO Live account. Now, once you're logged in and you land on this interface, now first of all, navigate to the bottom of this interface. There you will find the live option next to the video icon. In between video and chat icon, there is a blue icon with a video or camera. So tap on that. Then you will get to this interface. Now to use back camera, first of all, you have to go live in BIGO Live. So now from here, simply tap on go live. After that, tap on the three-line icon from the bottom left corner and then a drop-down box will pop up. Now, under this room tool, you will have an option as flip at the top right corner of that box. Tap on that. And after that, the back camera will be turned on in BIGO Live. So that's how you can use back camera in BIGO Live. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.